Welcome back to my channel. Become a Shopify partner and earn 20% commissions. Today in this video we will be discuss about become a Shopify partner and earn 20%. How to make money on Shopify and how to earn money from Shopify. Today in this video we will be discuss about become a Shopify partner and earn 20% discount. Full details about Shopify, join now. So let's get started. The Shopify Partner Program is a community of web designers, developers, digital marketers, creative agencies, and freelancers that help merchants start, sell, market, or manage their e-commerce businesses. Number 1. Connect with the customers. 1 in 3 Shopify merchants seek help for a Shopify expert every 6 months through our Shopify partnership program. Aspiring merchants can capitalize on professional skills and knowledge to make their online stores a success. Number 2. Earn 20% commission. Grow your web design, web development, or digital marketing business. Shopify's partner program gives you access to millions of Shopify merchants. 175 countries get new clients and earn 20% commission on rapid merchant subscriber fees. Offer your clients the world-class e-commerce solution. Millions of merchants use Shopify to run their online stores. By partnering with Shopify, you will be working with a top product that's both easy to use and provides your clients with a commerce experience they want now and in the future. Grow with Shopify as a partner. The Shopify Partner Program offers huge learning opportunities. Get access to comprehensive documentations and a learning portal, a partner community of Shopify experts, insider information on product roadmaps, and priority 25% partner support. Avoid class e-commerce solutions, unlimited development stores. As a partner, you won't be constrained by our free trial period. Showcase your work to attract new clients. Shopify partner can also use the development store as a portfolio to showcase their work and pitch new clients. Stable, reliable hosting, powerful all-in-one commerce toolkit, easily navigate dashboards, products, sales, marketing, and inventory management from a single platform with turnkey e-commerce solutions, extensive app integrations, award-winning sports connect with the 24 hours Shopify customer supports. How the Shopify partner program works. So let's get started. First of all, sign up for free. Simply sign up for a Shopify partner account as a website developer, designer, freelancer, creative freelancer, or agency for free. First of all, sign up now. Add your details, simply your name, your email address, and verify your email address. Simple. Build development store. Once you are a partner, start building development stores through the partner dashboard. Experiments and test as much as you want. There's no time limit to work on a development store, and you can create an unlimited number of them. How to build a Shopify partner development store. Transfer development store to start your business, earning commissions after creating a development store. Transfer store ownership over to your client when this transfer is complete and your client switches to a paid plan.